What's up guys, XGen Gaming here. So we're here at our Baccarat strategy, day 4, the Baccarat grind. So starting natin 3,320 and we're targeting 500 pesos every day. So let's go. Let's go for the bank. Let's go for our first unit for the bank. Okay, 5. A good number. Can it hold? So it holds. So okay, let's go. Got that 50 pesos. So 3, 1. So we're gonna get, so 3-8. Need to be 3 at 3-8. 3-9 at least 3-9. Bakara. Oh, a 9. Maybe lost. Let's double our bet. Oh, okay. Okay, so player. That's another unit on the bank. So let's ride with the streak here, with the chop here. Let's go. Let's just ride for the chop. 9. 5. Okay, we got that. So our target is to be 3-9. And we're gonna cash out 500. Oh, ayan na 8. So we lost there. We're gonna skip. Maybe we're gonna skip. I want a player. I want to go with a player. No, my goodness. We get an 2. Oh, we win. We got the lead and we won. So again, play. Let's go again for player. Another player. We ride the player. Sorry. 2. He got the lead, so we need to. So we lost. Let's go for the player here. Let's go for the player. 6. Good number. 6. Oh, an 8. So we lost there. So I wanna skip. I want to skip this game this time. Sa bunker again. Let's again skip. I'm just picking my spots here. Another bank. Let's go for the bank. I've decided to go for the bank. Sa tie. Okay, let's go again for the bank. Let's go with the bank again. Okay. 2 versus 2. Oh, we got it. So we got the bank. Now let's go for the player. Six. Good number. Nice one. So we got a win there. Let's go for the player. So last 300. Our target is 39. So that's 500. So that's 500 pesos and more. So last. Oh, it's a 5 only. And then 8. Or so we lose. We lost that one. So I think we're gonna ride with the bank. Alright, let's ride with the bank. Four, one. We reduce. We improve and we reduce again. Okay, we lost. What the fuck? Okay, let's go for the bank again. Oh no. Oh, it's a tie. Again. Another time. So we only have 5 steps martingale. If we lost that 5-step martingale, we try again tomorrow. 7 again. Oh my. And it's still a tie. Another tie. So again, let's just try again on the bank. Let's take the bank. Oh, I got the lead. There you go. We got the win. Okay, another one. Let's go here. Player side. On the player side. Wait. I lost. I lost. Again for the player. Again, let's try again the player side. I think I should have skipped this one. Okay. Should have skipped that one. So let's go for the let's ride with the banker. Sa tie. Oh, we got the lead. There you go. We got the win. We got the W. Okay, last. How many unit is that? We got the lead again. Okay, we win again. Last 200. So last 4 units. Should have draw. I should have put. Should have skipped this one. But I still bet. So let's see. Okay, we won again. The bunker is so hot. Another bunker. So the bunker is on ace run. So last 2 bunker and we will bag the 500 pesos for today. So guys, let's go. We need last 2 bunker. There you go. Last banker and we won. Okay, last banker. Alright guys, let's go and hit the bag. Oh my goodness. Baccarat. Let's just go with the bank. Because every time banker go down, just a jump. 6. Isa tay. Sometimes the hardest is the last one. But I know we can win this, still win this. Opo. Okay, we got that. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Let's go.